welcome to WOW TV for Kids. Today I want to show you a fun activity we call Let It Snow. Now, I know it might not look like winter out your window, but in your kitchen you can build your own snowman. Here on the screen you will see all of the supplies you will need. Start with your baking soda and gradually add the conditioner until the mixture begins to clump. After it's all mixed, knead it by hand so you can feel the texture of your snow. Here are a few tips if you're trying this for the first time. Hair conditioner brands are all different. If the brand you are using seems pretty watery, use less of it. If it's a thicker conditioner, you may need more. And if your mixture becomes too sticky, add a little more baking soda. If your snow is too dry, add more conditioner. Whatever you do, make the snow just as you like it. How do you know if it's ready? When you can make a ball that doesn't fall apart. Now it's time to start building your snowman. For a larger snowman, just increase the amount of baking soda and hair conditioner. Maybe you can find some things to make it look like a real snowman. Do you have any small beads that would work as eyes and a mouth? Could you make a nose and scarf out of clay? How about small sticks for arms? Can you make a reindeer too? Now you can settle back with a nice cup of hot chocolate. I hope you had fun with this activity. And if your parent wants to share a picture of you doing these activities, please post them on Facebook or Twitter with the hashtag WowTV for Kids. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.